In this video, let me show you how to fix the Teams login error. If you're trying to log into your Teams on your desktop and if you have issues with it, the first thing that you can do in this case is try to repair or reset the application. So just click on the search bar on the bottom, search for install apps, and once you're inside, all of the installed apps that are installed on your device is going to be visible. You just need to search for Teams. Once the Teams app pops up, you can just click on the three dotted line, head over to advanced option, scroll down, and you'll see the section which says reset and repair. You can just first of all click on the repair option. As it says right here, if this app isn't working, we can try to repair it. So just click on the repair option, let this load. And once the repair is done, you can try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not, you can try resetting it. Click on the reset option. But however, before you do that, it says right here, this will permanently delete the app's data on the device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So you might need to sign in again once this step is complete. And if you have managed any sort of settings inside it, this also might be cleared out. So if you do agree, you can just click on reset. And there you go. Once you complete both of these steps, try to see if you can now log in. If you're still having issues logging in, the last thing that you can do is uninstall the application and then again re-download it. Inside of the same setting, you'll have the option called uninstall. So make sure you uninstall it and re-download it and try to see if you can now log in. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the login error inside of Microsoft Teams. Do give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.